All right, we got a fish on, guys. First one of the new year. Very excited. Oop. Put the pressure on him on the side here, get him in. Oh, there he is. I got a barbless hook too. I don't want to lose this guy. Oh man. Come here, buddy. He's fighting good. All right, nice wild brown. Hot dog, man, hot dog. Yeah, buddy. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Beautiful. All right. That's a beauty right there, guys. Woohoo! Nice fish. And he hit the Egan's Euro streamer. If I can get it out of his mouth here. It is cold, man. Phew. Hope it's out. All right. Barbless hook, baby. Beautiful fish. All right. That's awesome. All right, guys, that was a beautiful brown. We're going to get him in the water and try the first underwater shot of the new GoPro. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. It's a beautiful fish, guys. Oh, yeah, 2020 first brown trout, baby. Awesome. Here we go. All right, so he hit the Lance Egan's Euro streamer that I tied up here recently. If you guys follow my Instagram, you guys probably saw this fly as I posted it up there. It looks like a killer fly, and I just jigged it along the bottom, and he clobbered it. And up on the tag here today, I am working the, looks like a little Frenchy action with the olive. And we've got the tips on there as well, looking extra tasty. So we'll see what else they want to go for here, but I'm happy with that, man. Ringing in the new year. Cool beans. All right, we got a nice fish on here right at the end, and that looks like a decent brown right there. Oh yeah, nice fish. All right, nice brown. Not as big as it felt, but hey, that is okay. Awesome fish, guys. Yeah, buddy. That's a beauty right there. Another gorgeous wild fish, no doubt. That is awesome. Cool. Beautiful fish. Hook is out. Beautiful. Awesome. All right, guys. That's a beautiful fish right there. It's too dark to do this, but I'm going to try it anyway. Well, welcome back to Give Me Bad Outdoors, everybody. Thanks for tuning back in. I hope you can hear me over the water rush here. Holy smoke. I am trying a new place today, and I am on the hunt for native wild brook trout. And we're going to see what happens here and try to catch them up. Always fun exploring new places, no doubt. And this is looking like a killer place here. Holy smoke. I am very happy I came. It's about 38 degrees, and the water is booking, as you can see. So we'll see what happens here. That's beautiful looking down there. It's Really nice up there, so we'll see what's up. I was going to try a dry dropper, but I might switch it up to just all subsurface based on how this water's rolling here. So we'll see what happens. I'll let you know what I end up doing. Thanks for tuning back in, and we'll try to catch them up. There we go, guys. Finally got a nice little brookie here. Had to switch up the flies. He's a beaut. All right, get him in. Okay, all right, beautiful. Wow, my kind of fish, man. I love them. Holy cow, that's a beauty, man. Awesome. Right under that foam over there. Good deal. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Wow. He got that in there a little ways, didn't he? Right in the lip. There we go. All right. Let him charge back up for a second there. He was really hooked good. Thank God it's a barbless. Man. Beautiful, beautiful wild brookie, guys. This is awesome. All right, here we go. All right, hooked up with another one. Nice little guy. Come here, buddy. Oh, there he is. All right, sweet, gorgeous. Wow. Ooh, it's out. Wow, awesome fish, man. Wow. Beautiful fish. We're gonna get him underwater, see what happens. Wow, what a beautiful, beautiful place. Holy cow, guys, this is something else. Wow. This is right where I caught that little fish right here. And had another hit down there. Boy, this is something else. Holy smokes. I gotta get in there and see what I can get. There's gotta be a fish in there. Wow. Just got another, guys. I did not have the camera on as usual, but I switched it up to my Euro streamer pattern, and sure enough, they were slamming it. Not a big guy, but a pretty guy no less. Whoops, come here. Awesome. That's a gorgeous fish, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. Wow.